Hey, back to Talk English Like a Pro, Part 2. I'm your host Ritu, and today we're talking about the top 3 mistakes new English learners make and how to fix them. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. So grab your headphones and let's dive in. Mistake number 1. Translating everything from your native language. I get it, okay? You're thinking in Hindi, Bhojpuri, Tamil, whatever, and then translating to English like, today going I market. And your brain is like, bro, that's enough internet for today. So what's the fix? Start with simple sentences in English. Practice things like, I am going to the market. I like coffee. Keep it short, keep it clear, and keep it coming. Mistake number 2. Being afraid to speak. Oh, this one hurts. You're in a room, someone says something in English, and your mind just goes blank. Like totally blank. But listen up. Confidence comes from doing, not waiting. So open your mouth, even if it's not perfect. Even if you say, she do homework, it's okay. Say it loud, say it proud, and then learn from it. Also, if you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. Come on, give that button a little love. It helps the podcast grow and reach awesome learners like you. Mistake number 3. Ignoring pronunciation. Some people say vegetable like vegetable. Others say Wednesday like Wednesday. It's not your fault. English is weird. So what do we do? Watch videos, listen to native speakers, and repeat like a parrot. Repeat again and again until your tongue says, okay, boss, now I get it. Alright, friends, quick recap. 1. Don't translate word by word. 2. Don't fear mistakes. Speak anyway. 3. Don't ignore pronunciation. Copy like a pro. And hey, if you're loving this journey, go ahead and like and subscribe right now. Join our mission